Healing Mass for successful operation. The Eye of Apollinario offered by Apollinario family. Mass intentions for the good health, safety, guidance, and protection of offspring raised to metal offered by family. Thanksgiving Mass for the safety and good health of my children, brothers and sisters, and all the blessings that we do in my life. Solar Medina Ibanez, offered by Rina Ibanez family. Solar Angela Capilian, offered by Celeste and Capilian family. Praying to Nuestra Señora Labian do Pilar, Valicity, Santa Nina, Saint Jude, David. Pray to the heart of Jesus, who has the purified problem of constant life and the nation. Lord, Lord, May 26, 28, 124, offered by Hilliard, Dagan, for the soul of
kilo plata. Doon sila Sarang kita guide.
Offered by the Queda family. For all souls and for returning to the glory offered by Mr. and Miss Danilo Alcoran family. Souls of Sylvia Sanson, Daniel Sanson, Jose and Jesus Sanson, and also souls into the glory offered by Regina Sanson and family. Souls of Matilda San, Teresita Perez, Benjamin Rochong, Jose Sanson, Anita Rochong, Wilfrido Rochong, Luis Cogo, Wilson Chang Perez, Mamerto and Mamerto Perez, Pilar Baby Perez, Teresanto Alex San, Jesus Perez, Neil Perez, Kang Swapur, Concepcion Lim, Renato Perez Renato, Interrogatory offered by Susan Kong and family. To Our Lady of the Pilar, for the reading of Elsie Diana, offered by Ella Julia and family. Thanksgiving for the grace of blessings, guidance, and wisdom offered by Latina family. For the souls of Tan and Song, Julie and Jimmy Tan, offered by Tan family. And also thanksgiving for the graces and blessings received offered by Tan family. Mass intention for the souls of Expedita and Oscar Arcelius, Leticia Limbalas and Ana Balasco, Janessa, Dolores Ricard and Enzo Torres, offered by Ruben and Marlene Arcelius and children. Soul of Expedita Arcelius, offered by Arcelius family. Thanksgiving in honor of Señor Santonino, St. Joseph, St. Anthony, Lady of the Pilar, Lady Fatima, offered by Ruben and Marlene Arcelius and children. Thanksgiving Mass in honor of the Virgen del Pilar, for the blessings and graces received, offered by the Italian family. For the soul of Milagros Castillo, Mass open for CPE board of Canary, offered by Papa and Alfredo. Thanksgiving Mass for the Pilar, for the blessings received and good health, offered by Susan, Badyang, and children. Joseph Efren Badyang Sr., Ramon Saavedra Sr., Lapusoni Natividad and Berna Saavedra, and Richard Badyang, offered by Susan Badyang and children. Soul of Eduardo Benjamin Cruz, offered by Alvin Benjamin and family. Thanksgiving Mass to Liverpool, offered by some members and family. Special intention of Marcelo, the Auntie Mohammed, Consolation, Teresita, Mary Mildred, Mosa, Maria Elena, Nida, Exitario, Mr. Marty, Nani, Emilia, Eduardo Chino, Seminara, Bernard. Thanksgiving for the blessings received and for the healing, recovery of Innocencia, Teresita, Conchita, Rosario, Mario, and the healing of the family tree of our living family members. For the souls of the dear departed Mary Sr., Eduardo Sr., and children, Veronica, Ernest Walda, Natalie, Román, Ernesto, Frederick Jr., Monsignor Peter, Hercules, Marcy Renard, Rafael Dave, Gerald Marcy, Anita, Tomasa, Joyce, Melvin Ali, Valentino Jr., Emilia, Sheila Mara, Mary Nikita, Federico, schoolmates, workmates, and for the healing of the family free of our death, ancestors, in exchange of this blood, SPS Navarro Valdemera, SPS Amazing and Trinidad, for themselves, and then children and certain purgatory offered by Influenza Orinsa Cristiano, children and families. For the soul, remembering after Rivera, Pono Rivera, for 6 months memorial offered by Ricky Viola. For the soul, Trinidad, Arquista, Fernandez, and birthday of Maximina Capalcuz, Arquista in heaven, offered by Lilian Fernandez. Mass intention for the soul of Diana James Sevilla, offered by Cesar Sevilla and kids. Soul of Trinidad Fernandez, please now rest in peace in heaven, offered by Lourdes, Linda Lucibar, Trini and Fernandez family. For guidance and wisdom for the upcoming board exam for CPA and 2728 of Brianna Nicole Sohor and Associates offered by Sohor family. For all poor souls in purgatory offered by Roger De La Rosa Jr. For Laila Bangayan. For the 6-month commemoration of the death of Cristiano Rabiano Salcedo offered by family. For mass intention for the 300 July, Sacred Heart of Jesus, Divine Mercy and Savior
Mate?
offered by June.